We got a very large hive. You can see super big. We're going to attempt to cut this thing down and lower it to the ground. I have no idea how things are going to go. Okay. You don't want to stand underneath this thing and get a bunch of bees right in the face. All right, just take it slow. Now, remember, if for any reason you start to fall, just sort of roll with it. See what I'm saying? It's rigidity that hurts you. Just think in terms of slow motion. Push off from the ladder, hit the ground, and roll. You want to just roll with it. It's rigidity that causes bones to break, okay?
Can I jump toward the tree and try to latch onto that?
Whatever.
I don't want to jump off the ladder.
No, I would. I'd ride the ladder on the way down, and then when it finally gets to the ground, it's like pole vaulting. I'm just telling you. Just telling you. There you go. There you go. Nice. Okay, so far so good. All right. Maybe we should tie another rope so it doesn't swing so fast and so far. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do is we're going to tie this secondary rope, keep the tree branch from swinging too fast. You can see all the bees, all the worker bees. You can see them all collecting, which is kind of good. We're going to catch some of them worker bees as well. Not exactly what we had in mind. Eli, you gotta let it down.
Up and down.
Because that's what happened. It would have hung perfectly if it hadn't been for... You're supposed to let it swing out, not hold it from falling down. Alright. So what do you think? Do you think we got some comb in there? We're alright, huh? Nice. Okay. All right, so there it is. Ready to rehome. Okay. All right, boys. High five, all of us together. High five. Eco bee removal. High five. Bees in the... All we got to do now is take them out in the woods, and we did our part. The previous one we did from last year. Bees have gone. Comb remains. This one lasted a long time. Just because we rehomed them didn't mean that they were going to stay there forever. Okay, try to go higher, Sam, I guess. Alright, I'd say go this way, boys. Over through here. Now I meant to put this right here, and now that angle down over here then. Let's go on the other side. I mean, something's better than nothing, right? So it's not practical. This branch is the heaviest branch that we've done. And it's not practical for us to hang it because it doesn't really help it achieve the right angle anyway. We've hung other ones, like that one was easy to hang and get the comb up straight up and down. So it's just not practical to take it any further. So I don't have gloves on. I'm stepping off. I don't even know. We wrapped these bees before we even knew what to expect from them. They're in the sun now, so they'll be warming up. But sometimes your hardiest bee is the one that's going to grow to this size outside. It's the first time we've wrapped it, and this is interesting. Very interesting. I'm glad it's cold right now because I got my butt kicked from that hive. The last time I was here, I was all like, wow, here's this really nice hive hanging, and look how calm it is, and then boom, they attacked me. I can't find that footage. Dude, this is nice. Warming up in the sun, so I could end up getting my hands stung. They usually hate the camera, but that's nice, boys. Get in that picture right now. Sam, you get behind over there. You stand right there. Kneel down. Get it. Yeah, there you go. This is really, really, really a nice save. Okay, tell me what's wrong with that. You know what? They try to make it illegal. I've had other companies call, try to get people to turn